Brandon shotgun. And then you just, yeah. Chug! No, keep going, keep going. You're gonna fuck up. You're gonna lose the.
I already fucked it up, dude.
You're gonna lose the whole beer.
Oh.
You gotta go slow.
Oh god.
You gotta drink slow. Like, don't force the beer. Don't go.
Well,
like, let the beer like drizzle into your fucking mouth. That's the whole idea.
Alright. Well, that fucking got me, dude.
Yeah, keep going.
Wait, but when do I open it?
Open it all the way right now.
It's done.
Let me see.
It's half off.
You drank the entire fucking thing already?
Yes.
Are you shitting me?
You're holding the can.
Did you pour it down the sink or
No,
something?
dude. Dude.